Well, hello everybody, and welcome back. Well, I don't know if we should change the name of this channel to My Ovenless Kitchen or what. I still don't have an oven. So, today, we're going to have some fun. We're going to experiment. We're going to try some stuff. My air fryer has been my cooking source lately, other than my stovetop, and I want pizza. Now, yeah, everyone tells me frozen pizza is really good in the microwave, but you know me, I don't do frozen pizza. I make my own. Now, I have, just for time's sake, started some of this stuff. I already have my air fryer preheating. I've never done this. I don't know what temperature to cook it at. I don't know how long to cook it at. This is effectively, and I wish they would stop calling them air fryers, it is a small convection oven. Because that's what it is. It's a really small area that gets hot and has a fan. That's convection. So, this is not the piece of dough I'm using. This is just fun. That's what's great about dough. When I make it, I make a big batch. I tear off what I need, and then I can work with it. So what I do have here, though, is what may be my smallest pizza dough ever. Not tossing this one, because, well, there's nothing to toss. So all I am doing, just like I would any other pizza, nothing's changing here as far as the recipe or how I do it, what I'm doing. I'm just working out my dough to put on what may be the world's smallest pizza sheet. Now, this isn't even a pizza sheet. This was the coffee grind catcher for a coffee machine I had. But it fits perfectly in my air fryer. Now, yes, you can buy either air fryers that come with the accessories or you can buy aftermarket accessories, but that means I have to go out. And I know it's really hard to tell from the window, but it is a monsoon outside. It is pouring so hard. I went to the store today, and it's only like not even a 5-minute walk. I had to take a taxi home because I could barely see anything. I felt sorry for the taxi driver. It was probably his shortest fare ever, but I tipped him well. He did okay with it. So all I've done here is I've got my pizza dough on my pizza sheet. This is going to be a little bit of a thicker crust because I want to buy myself a little bit of protection time so that I might cook it a bit longer. I don't know. The good thing is, though, I have lots of dough to try and get this to work. So, wouldn't it be one of my videos if I didn't forget something? So we have our sauce, same sauce you've seen me use before. I really like this one. And we're just going right inside. This is almost going to be like a deep dish in a way because I've got such a nice rim on it. In fact, let's turn it into a mini deep dish. Let's turn it in. We have our pepperoni here. There we go. And this is just normal pepperoni you can buy in any store. There's all kinds of pepperoni. There's dry cured pepperonis and what they call cooked pepperonis, which are what most of these pre-sliced ones are, just because it's faster. But this is a local company. They make a really nice pepperoni. It's got a good flavor to it. So, it's one I like. You can use whatever you like. When you're doing a pizza, the pizza is a blank canvas. You can do whatever you want on it. Yes, there's the controversial ham and pineapple. Personally, I like it. I throw some jalapeno on there, get that sweet and spicy thing going. But yeah, so far we have our little baby pizza. So cute. I'm gonna have to make like 2 or 3 of these just for lunch or something. But like I said, this is a test. I know in theory I should be able to cook in an air fryer. Like I say, it is just a really small oven, but I want to find out for sure. And I want to know how good it's going to do. Because if it cooks it too fast, the dough won't be cooked enough. If it takes too long, well, everything obviously will burn. So it's a little bit of an experiment. And the fun thing with pizza is, well, you can keep experimenting and eating your mistakes. So I just have some cheese on there. I'm not using a grated cheese this time, just because right now with how prices are, $9 for a little bag of cheese, way too much. $4 for 2.5 pounds of cheese, and it is pizza mozzarella. This is the good stuff. I'll grate it myself, or in this case, I'll just slice it and tear it to shreds. This we're going to put in the air fryer now. Like I said, I have it preset to 350. It's warmed up. We're going to try... I'm going to put it in for 10 minutes to see. We'll see how it goes. We'll check on it midway, and we'll see what the result is. So, I don't know. Maybe we should start calling this section, Will It Air Fry? We'll find out. I'll show you the results once it's done. Hey everyone, we are back. It has been in now for 6 minutes. Still needs a bit more, so we're experimenting, like we said. A while ago I did a cooking with kids, and we did a English muffin pizza. Good old high school home economics course using good old English muffins. I thought, you know what? Instead of me messing around with even more dough, because I am going to make more, let's try doing the same thing again, but with the English muffins. Who knows? Maybe they'll come out better than in the oven. This is all a great little experiment. I've already put my pepperoni back in the fridge, so we got to go get that. So we got my pepperoni again. And this way I get to have more of my pizza without having to work my dough again. I am going to be trying some other things with that dough, like how about a cherry pie turnover using the pizza dough. Might work, might not. We're going to find out though. If it works, we'll do a video. If it doesn't work, you'll never hear of it again. So we're just cutting up some of that nice cheese. Again, we're just shredding it into little pieces. This is the fun of cooking, is the experimenting, the trying stuff out. Hey, will this work or not? Because everything started with, brownies are because someone forgot to put baking soda in a chocolate cake mix. And we all know how good brownies are. Let's take another peek. Hope we can see in there, but it's starting, that crust is getting all nice and crisp. The cheese is starting to brown, so we might be onto something here. So while that finishes off cooking, we have our, English muffin pizzas all ready to go in. So once that comes out, we'll put these in, we'll find out what happens, and we'll keep you updated. See you all soon. Hey everyone, ever wonder what happens when the camera stops? Well, this is it. I stand around, I wait for stuff to cook, I put away everything, and that's it. There's no big secrets to anything we do. Well, we are done. The hardest part about that really was getting the pizza out at the end. There's not a lot of space in an air fryer, and to get in there to sort of pull it out, so we sort of jiggled it out. But we have a pizza. It's not the best, but it qualifies as a pizza. So there we go. So we do have to play around with temperatures and cooking times. Speaking of which, because I have the English muffins going now. So our dough is cooked. Our cheese got a little bit too much, but that's playing around with temperature. But you know what? I like crispy cheese like that. So we're going to cut this thing open. Ooh, it's hot, as you can see. And basically, I just want to see... Wow, that's hot. I know I'm not going to get cheese pull because of the crispy crust, but the dough, you can see you've got all those nice bubbles in there, and it cooked really well. Got a little bit of a golden bottom. Could have cooked a bit more maybe, but I took it out because of the cheese. And now comes the most painful part, because you saw that steam too. Let's see, did we make a pizza? Wow. Super hot. There's nothing like getting that pizza right out of the oven. I don't care if it's an air fryer, an oven, a pizza oven. Cutting it and taking that first bite. Oh my god, the dough is just so fluffy. Even in that ring, cooked really, really well. You know the cheese melted. Looks like melted a bit too much. But hey, we got a little cheese pull. Toppings are nice and hot. The sauce is warmed up all the way through. And I keep burning. And I keep burning myself. I really have to stop doing that. Would this be something I would do again? Yeah. It's fun. Get to play around, make individual pizzas. What I will try though is I'm going to make a few of these, put them on a cookie sheet, freeze them, make my own individual frozen pizzas. See how that comes out in the air fryer. I'll do that in an upcoming video. But in the meantime, I have some more English pizza muffins cooking. I have this pizza waiting here to be eaten. Hot. So, can it be done? Yes. Will it replace a normal oven? No. Air fryers get too hot in too small of a space to cook everything properly. The dough won't have a proper enough chance to brown. It'll cook fine, but it won't brown. It won't get that char. The cheese, as you see, melts way too quickly. The pepperoni, I've got nice little crispy bits. But again, for me, that's fine. That's like bacon. Before we go, those English muffin pizzas are cooking up beautifully. I think that might be the way to go. Could probably fit 4 halves in the machine. A little bit more filling than this. So, until next time, hopefully we'll have that thing working again. But if not, we'll try more things in the air fryer and other recipes that just use stovetops, slow cookers, or any other fun kitchen appliances we have around. So until then, my name is Andrew. I am the 5 p.m. chef. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It's free and it inspires me to create more dishes like this. If you're coming back, let me know, is this something you would try? Leave me a comment. Best way to let YouTube know that people like what I'm doing is when they see lots of comments on a video. Also, leave me a big thumbs up and hit that bell icon so that you see when I come out with new videos, normally once a week. So until next time, have a great day, and it's time to go eat. We'll see you all again soon.